Hello, Owen. Hello. Are you hungry? You are? Are you going to eat your fist? Well, why aren't you eating? Who is eating instead of you? This guy? What's he doing? Oh, Hamilton is eating. Hamilton, how much longer is it going to take you to eat? Did you know that your brother is very hungry? What do you think? You think you could hurry up a little bit with that milk? Stop playing around. Owen's pretty mad. Are you mad, Owen? You are? Where's your milk? You what? You're going to eat the dog? I don't think you could eat the dog. What do you think? Do you think we should ask the dog if it's okay if you eat her? Well, let's check. Hello, Maya. Hello. Did you know that Owen is threatening to eat you? Are you going to even wake up? No.